Hello and welcome to another quick tutorial with your instructional technology specialist, Leslie Johnson. So today we are looking at GEG, Google Educator Groups. So when you go through the Google certification process, they do inform you about these groups that we have that are groups of educators in your region that come together to support one another. So this is their Google Educator info page. You can find a group near you. They're all over the world. It's pretty amazing. But I'm going to highlight GEG New Mexico. So gegnm.org gets you to the page. On the first page, you see that they've got their little welcome. You can click to join GEG New Mexico, check out events, check out the member directory, do the feedback. Find them on Facebook, Twitter, or on Wakelet. You can see their Twitter feed over here, and you can watch the whole relaunch video if you're interested in that. They've also linked to what is GEG. So there's a lot of great resources here. At the top, we also have the tabs. So that's the home page. We can click join, and that takes us directly to their registration. So you'll need a picture, a bio, and just the ability to provide more information about where you work, what you're interested in, what your certifications are. When you click on the events page, it's a little slim right now. We're all a little tired. It's been an interesting school year. I think we're all waiting for the end. But if you click on the month and then navigate very much like you would on Google Calendar. Resources, they have hyperlinked some great resources for you. The Google Teacher Center, which I believe has a new name at this point, but that's just because Google has kind of restructured everything. They talk about the certifications you can get. They've hyperlinked the Teach from Home resources we've gotten from Google, and just some professional learning resources as well. Next is the member directory. So you can see their leadership team here. And if you keep scrolling, you will see all of the members. If you click here, you can scroll through to see any names that you might recognize, and you can click on someone. Otherwise, you just kind of go through and you can see what they teach, where they teach, and their email address. So if you want to connect with another New Mexico educator, that's a great way to do it. And finally, they have their feedback, which, long story short, we're trying to make GEG a little bit better. So how can they help? And it's just a Google form that says what kind of professional development are you interested in and whatnot. Personally, I have really benefited from being a part of GEG New Mexico. It's been a great way to network and connect with educators, get ideas through this crazy virtual, hybrid, in-person learning year that we've had. So if you haven't joined, go ahead and go to gegnm.org/join. If you have any questions or video suggestions, please let me know, and thanks for watching.